Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Kiran Reddy ji, Honorable Pradesh Congress Committee President, Professor Satyanarayan ji, Honorable Chairman of the 20-point program, Shri Tulsi Reddy ji, Honorable Ministers of the State Government of Andhra Pradesh, Honorable Secretaries of the AICC in charge of Andhra Pradesh, all the officers of the State Government of Andhra Pradesh, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. I am extremely proud of the fact that I have been invited to this function on the occasion of the Andhra Pradesh government being rated as number 1 consecutively for the 3rd year as number 1 state in the implementation of the 20-point program. Also, on this very day, in 1975, Mrs. Indira Gandhi came up with the 20-point program. 20-point program has been updated since then by including different other indicators also. It is a comprehensive developmental indicators strategy which is being regularly monitored by the Government of India by a separate Ministry of Program Implementation. Our commitment to the people of Andhra Pradesh has been to fulfill the aspirations, the hopes of the poor, of the downtrodden, of the underprivileged. All the programs initiated under the dynamic leadership of Mr. Y.S. Rajshekar Reddy have been continued by the successive government, and I must compliment Honorable Chief Minister Mr. Kiran Reddy, who has also improved upon some of his programs. The biggest problem in administration is the poor service delivery mechanism. Thus, the administration and the government delivers all its programs to the ultimate beneficiaries is the key to success of any governance. And I think Andhra Pradesh has been a leader in using technology and innovation to improve the service delivery mechanism. As a Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh, we used to look at all the best practices of Andhra Pradesh government in this field of application of information technology and how best it can be used with an innovative mind so that the leakages can be plugged. The Me Seva is an outreach of the government so that the corruption at the last mile can be eradicated. Any good governance means transparency in the system and minimum leakage at the grassroots. Lot of models have been tried over the years so that IT and technology can be used to minimize corruption. Me Seva is an effort by the state government of Andhra Pradesh, which has been the forerunner in the use of technology. At the initiative, I believe, of Honorable Chief Minister, 150 different certificates and information and schemes are to be delivered at more than 7,500 outreach points in the whole state of Andhra Pradesh. I think it's a role model for the whole country, and it should be popularized throughout the country to check the leakages. Honorable Chief Minister was just now telling me that when the Jan Lokpal Bill or the Lokpal Bill was being discussed in the Parliament, he had rightly suggested that along with the Right to Information Act, if you reduce the time and bring in a system where people don't have to go around and around the local offices of a Tehsildar, of a BDO or the registrar, and whatever he needs is available at the click of a mouse or in one counter. I think this can reduce the cases of corruption, and I totally agree with him that this is what is needed in this country, along with the Citizens Charter which Government of India is trying to now enact, that we can bring down the cases of corruption and deliver what the government needs to give to the ultimate beneficiaries. I think whatever people may say, unfortunately, I have the greatest regard for the media of Andhra Pradesh. But at the same time, I would request them, among other things, you can highlight every other thing that wrong that we do. But for God's sake, please give credit to whatever the government of Andhra Pradesh is doing well. I'm sure you will take notice of that. And instead of highlighting what has not happened, you will at least highlight this time what has really happened. Thank you.